about vampires. Vampires are myths which can be seen in almost all cultures in the world. As the folklore, they are undead beings who subsist by feeding on the blood of the living. For their mischief activities, they only come during the night time and they are killed by the sunlight. This video contains another group of people who are killed by the sunlight. This is about victims of a very rare disease, xeroderma pigmentosum, also known as vampire syndrome. This is an autosomal recessive disorder in which there is a decreased ability to repair DNA damage such as that caused by ultraviolet light. So the damages due to UV lights are never repaired. This was discovered in 1874 and 1 out of 1 million people becomes a victim of this. The first sign of xeroderma pigmentosum is severe sunburn and skin pigments following exposure to only small amount of sunlight. Freckles in early age, scaly and dry skin, skin blistering, spider veins, limited hair growth are the other symptoms on the skin. Other symptoms are hearing loss, loss of intellectual functions, painful eye irritations and rarely seizures. The continuous damage and the loss of cell repair mechanism lead to accumulate damaged cells. As more abnormalities form in DNA, cells malfunction and eventually become cancerous or die. So average life expectancy is 30 years of age. This is diagnosed by genetic testing and there is no cure found. Only way to minimize the damage is avoiding the sunlight. More exposure to the sunlight causes more possibility to get cancer and die. So they are killed by sunlight as same as vampires.
For 5-year-old Ibrahim, getting ready for school is a long and often laborious process. He's among the so-called children of the moon, struck by a rare genetic disorder in which the body struggles to repair skin damage from ultraviolet light. His risk of contracting skin cancer is extremely high, so before venturing into sunlight, every precaution must be taken.
All exposed areas have to be covered, so he has a special balaclava and a special hat made from anti-UV fabric, special anti-UV glasses, and when he's ready, we go.
Ibrahim's home has long been equipped to shield him from the sun's harmful rays, but it's only recently that his local school south of Paris has been able to welcome him, thanks to a joint initiative by the Town Hall and the National Anti-Cancer League.
Toutes les fenêtres dans ce couloir en particulier sont équipées de filtres anti-UV.
All the windows in this hall have been fitted with UV filters, so they block the harmful rays for Ibrahim without blocking the atmospheric light. The neon lights here are also anti-UV, so we've arranged everything with the children of the moon in mind.
Mis aux normes comme il faut pour les enfants lunes.
Thanks to a few modifications, Ibrahim's now a schoolboy like any other, only with one crucial restriction.
In the school, he can go from one class to another, or through the common areas. However, Ibrahim isn't allowed to go into the playground. That's what makes him different from other children. So during playtime, he stays in the classroom with another child or a care assistant who can keep an eye on him.
The chances of being born with the condition are literally 1 in a million. Here in France, that means around 50 new cases per year. And while there's no cure for youngsters like Ibrahim, there's at least the hope of living a full life, albeit in the shadows.
Thanks for watching. We'll meet up soon with another episode.